Welcome back. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you have not already, be sure to like and subscribe. So y'all, I bought me some Drake tickets, and if you know the prices of the Drake tickets, then you know your girl is on a budget. So I tried to be this do-it-yourself type of queen, and I tried to create a backdrop for my product, and y'all, this looks so freaking ghetto. Like, I even bought the rhinestones from Dollar Tree. I bought this little cardboard kind of like poster and cut it up, and I just thought I feel like if I would have took my time, it would have came out right, but I don't know. It just wasn't giving. So I was just like, you know what? I'm gonna have to give in. I went to Amazon, bought me this light studio box. Now, this light studio box was like $30, so it wasn't that much, but it was something. And then I also bought me this mini turntable thing where it turns the product around, so like this good for videos, for promotion, content, and stuff like that. And then I also saw these cute little shopping carts that I thought would be great for my pictures on my website. So I bought that in 3 different colors. I bought it in silver, gold, and rose gold. I was so happy to just come across those, so I had to purchase those. So for the mini turntable thing, it comes with the cord, but I decided to put batteries in it because the cord was just too short to put in the wall where I was standing. So I went on to put the batteries in there. Once the batteries are in there, you're ready to turn it on, sit your product on there, and look, voila, magic. Look at this spin. Like, it's going to be so great for content. I can't wait to post content. Follow my page so y'all can see the content that I post. Now for the studio box, so it came with the menu, but who reads that? So whatever. It came with this little bag, so it is portable. It is lightweight, so it's good to travel with. And then it also came with this little film thing that goes up in it. I'll show y'all what that is in a minute. But this is the studio box. Now, it is light, and it's it's not flimsy. It's very sturdy, and I like that about it. It also came with some backdrop. Like, it came with different colors too. So like, it came with like blue, nude, green, black, and then on the back side it's not the same color, it's another color, which I thought was so cool because you have many options, and who don't like options? So yeah, that was like white, gray, purple, you name it, they had the color. So I thought that was very cute. So this is me just setting it up. At the top there's the lid that you can open up, and you can take a photo or a video from the top view or the front view, whichever you prefer. This little flap is what you're going to push to the back to keep it sturdy and stable. Once you do that, you want to choose your background. I chose white because you can't never go wrong with a white background. So once I chose my background, I put it in there. Now that little flap, that little white flap at the top, that's what's going to hold the top of the backdrop. And then there's a little flap at the bottom. You want to tuck that over the bottom of the backdrop, and it's going to make it more secure. And then once you do that, you're ready. Well, you're almost ready. So you want to sit your product in there, and then you want to turn the light on like that. Y'all see how I did that? Okay, so now you almost ready to use it, but I had to show y'all what the mini turnable, what it's hitting on. So I went on, turned it on, and look at that, y'all. Can y'all picture what I'm picturing? The content gonna be fire once I get this down pat. Now, I was trying to do like the front view, show y'all the front view, and I was struggling, y'all. I'm not gonna hold y'all. I almost returned this, but I think a little bit more practice and I got it down pat. But y'all see that little light that was flaming on it? I didn't like that. So that's what this white part for like this little white film thing. You're supposed to put it up at the top, and it's supposed to, like, I guess, remove the little light reflective thing off your product. And I was struggling with that, y'all. Like, I don't know how that was supposed to work, because the straps are like in the middle of the top, if you get what I'm saying. So like, when I put it up there, it was still like hanging. It looked so tacky, y'all. I did not like it. Like, y'all see me struggling. I did not like it. I wasn't messing with it. I tried to give it a try, so I wound up eventually attaching it, and it was still looking tacky, but I just tried to see the view from it. And this is the view that I got. So this is the top view. I still did not like it, y'all. You can still see the light reflecting on the product. That was so tacky. And then the little white part that I did attach, if you step back, you can see it. It was just so tacky, but I did like that, the details on the lashes, but they had nothing to do with that. That was just the details. This is the front view. It was very tacky to me as well, because you can see the little gray part on both sides. So I might have to go to Dollar Tree and give me some posters and put that to the side. Maybe that can help. But if I have to get really close on the product, for you to just focus on the product. If I step back a little, then you will see like the little silver part, and I didn't like that. But what I did found helpful for the top view was that I just cut off the backlight, and I used this little ring light that I have for my phone. So if you have that little ring selfie light for your phone like that, that's in my Amazon storefront. I put it in the description, but that was very helpful for me. I just put that on the front side and made it reflect, and then this is the top view. I feel like once I get a little bit more practicing and figure out, you know, what's gonna be my little tools to use for this, then I'll get it down pat. But it is easy to break down, just as easy it was to put it up. So I give it a 10 out of 10 for that. But overall, I give this product a 8.5 out of 10. But yeah, once you pack it up, it's good to go. Stay tuned for the content, because I will be putting this product to use, because who wasted some money and who got time for a return? So yeah, I will be putting this product to use. Follow my Instagram page, TheQTeaCollection, because I will be dropping a lot of products soon. Thanks for watching.